Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I have a quick video walk around of this 1.5 hybrid Jazz SE. Now, as you can see, the car is finished in shining grey. It does come with 15-inch steel alloys, which do have the wheel trims on the front, as you can see just down here. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what design pattern the wheel trims do have and what condition they are all in. Walking around the rear of the vehicle now, as you can see at the back, when you go into the boot you do have plenty of room in there. We've got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor as well. Walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car you do receive the benefits of full grey interior with accents in black cloth as well. We've also got full Isofix mounting points just down at the bottom. In the front of the car, the interior follows suit. You do get the cloth grey with the black accents on the external parts of the seat base and back. We've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold and ECON, your eCVT gearbox, your climate control in the middle, and then your stereo just in the central of the dashboard just here. You have your Bluetooth hands-free. You've then got DAB1, DAB, low wave, medium wave and FM. You've then got your USB and your Bluetooth audio connection as well. On the steering wheel we've got your Bluetooth hands-free, track select, source select, volume, and then the home button here with the little bezel controls your onboard computer up top just there. We've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right hand side. And then we do also have automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and of course 6,340 miles on the clock. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information regarding this Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video of this car. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.